If you're looking for a free screen recorder, you have many choices. Whether it's creating a presentation for your business or recording your latest gaming session for YouTube or Twitch, there's a free program for you. Coming up, I will count down the top 5 best free screen recorders to capture high quality video of what is happening on your computer. Let's get started. Starting off our countdown at number 5 is ScreenRack. This program is packed full of tools that are useful for businesses. While intended for business use, you could also use this program for other purposes. In addition to the screen recorder, you can capture screenshots with annotation tools included to point out important information. Your recordings are saved to a dedicated encrypted cloud account, which is useful to easily manage company training videos and other presentations. One downside is that the free cloud storage has a limit of 2 gigabytes. If you want more, you'll need to upgrade. In at number 4 is ShareX. This free and open source program is only available for Windows. As many of you know, it's one of the best for taking screenshots and includes an excellent screen recorder with no time limits or watermarks. It's also light on system resources. So if you have an older computer or have low memory, this one might be perfect for you. In the number 3 spot, we'll cover 2 programs. NVIDIA Shadowplay, which is also known as NVIDIA Share, is for people that own a computer with a GeForce GTX or RTX class graphics card. It lets you record almost anything on your computer or broadcast live to Twitch, Facebook, and YouTube. If you need help getting started using Shadowplay, the link to our beginner's guide tutorial can be found in the description. Also coming in at number 3 is AMD Relive. If your PC has an AMD Radeon graphics card, their Relive software may already be installed. The features are similar to Shadowplay for recording and broadcasting live, but unlike Shadowplay, Relive does not support OpenGL games at this time. And coming in at number 2 is Flashback Express. This is a Windows-only program I highly recommend for those people just starting out learning how to use screen recording software. Not only is it easy to use, it lets you adjust the frames per second, capture any part of your screen, and uploading directly to YouTube is a breeze. What's nice about Flashback Express is that there are no nasty watermarks added and no time limits on your recordings. Taking the top spot, OBS Studio once again takes the crown as the best free screen recorder. It's what I use for more than 90% of the videos on this channel. Not only is it open source and completely free, it's available for the 3 major platforms, Windows, Mac, and Linux. There are no forced watermarks, time limits, or ads, and includes a ton of features for HD recording or streaming. It's especially great if you have multiple monitors, allowing you to switch between different scenes with ease. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description. If this video was useful for you, give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments if you use a free screen recorder not mentioned. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe and click the bell to stay up to date with the newest top 5s and other tech-related stuff here on TechGumbo.